Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because we're talking about one of Redken's newest launches, the Shades EQ Honey Copper Collection. If you've been looking for a way to create warm, dimensional hair that feels rich, luxurious, and expensive without looking overly copper or orange, you're going to love these new shades. Today I'm taking you behind the chair and showing you exactly how I use them with my hybrid gray blending power placement. We'll talk about what makes these shades unique, who they're perfect for, why I think they're going to become staples behind the chair, and of course, I'll show you the full transformation from start to finish. Let's get started. When most people hear the word copper, they immediately think bright orange hair. And honestly, that's why so many people are afraid of warmth. And that's exactly what makes this launch so different. These aren't traditional copper shades, they are honey coppers. What I love is they are designed with a gold primary reflect and a soft copper secondary reflect. That means the gold is doing most of the work. It's creating that beautiful honey glow that feels natural and luminous, while the copper simply adds richness, softness, and reflection. The result is warmth that feels modern, healthy, and incredibly expensive instead of overly orange or brassy. I think that's why so many people are going to fall in love with this collection. Let's take a closer look at the shades. The first shade is 09 HC Honey Butter. This is perfect when you want the softest touch of warmth. I see myself using this on bright blondes that need just a little extra glow without dramatically changing their color. Next is 08 HC Honey Bee. I honestly think this is going to become one of my favorites. It's beautiful for honey blondes, honey caramels, and soft bronze. It creates that gorgeous golden reflection that catches the light beautifully. Then we have 06 HC Honeycomb. This shade is amazing for creating richness in brunettes, adding warmth to root melts, or giving deeper blondes more dimension. It anchors the overall look while still feeling soft and reflective. The best part is that these shades work beautifully on their own, but they also blend seamlessly into the Shades EQ family we already use every day. Now I'd like to showcase a real-world application of this collection on my client. She had about 15% gray and wasn't looking for a full gray coverage. She wanted her hair blended and dimensional. That's where my hybrid gray blending power placement comes in. By using this technique, I was able to create movement, depth, and softness. I love combining strategic foiling with hand painting placement because it gives me brightness exactly where I want it while preserving depth everywhere else. That combination creates a hair color result that looks and feels intentional. For this service, I use Blonde IQ 9 Plus with 10 volume Pro-oxide Oil Developer. Remember, the Pro-oxide Oil Developer is a dedicated developer when using Blonde IQ 9 Plus. As you can see, I was able to give her a beautiful lift while maintaining the integrity of her hair. As you all know, preserving the health of the hair is always my first priority. Once the blonding is complete, it's time for my favorite part, formulating. At the root, I use shades ALK 5N plus 7GI to softly diffuse those first signs of gray while maintaining natural depth. Then I applied the new Honey Copper collection from Shades EQ on the mids and ends. The shades I chose were 06 HC plus 08 HC. I mixed from equal parts with Shades EQ processing solution. As you can see, every ribbon of blonde showcased that beautiful honey reflection. I love Shades EQ because it gives my clients the best hair color result while maintaining the condition of their hair. While my clients leave, they are obsessed with their tone, shine, and softness. I hope you are in love with the results just as much as I am. This is exactly why I was so excited to use these new Honey Copper shades. I truly believe these shades are going to become some of the most versatile colors behind the chair. Whether you're creating honey blondes, dimensional brunettes, gray blending services, root melts, or simply adding warmth behind those faded blondes, this collection gives us so many new possibilities while still giving us the beautiful shine and condition we all love from Shades EQ. If you're a hairstylist, I'd love to know which Honey Copper shades you're most excited to formulate with. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next transformation.